Rochester Linoleum and Carpet One,
your total flooring specialist.
Today we are going to introduce the most technologically advanced carpet ever. Our new Relax It's Lee's collection features today's best looks, colors, and patterns.
Lee's positions itself in the top tier of the Select Floor product promise system with a platinum warranty, featuring the exclusive No Exclusions Ultra 25 stain warranty, a 15-year texture retention warranty, and life of carpet installation warranty. Plus, a 120-day replacement warranty for any reason you're not completely satisfied. This carpet is backed by quality and is made by Lee's, a leading manufacturer of quality carpet for over 150 years. Now, here are 25 reasons to choose Relax It's Lee's carpet.
Coffee, wine, milk, pet stains, ketchup, mustard, ice cream, grape juice, chocolate syrup, soft drinks, sports drinks, grease, beer, chip dip, lipstick, cherry pie, spaghetti, watercolors, paint, correction fluid, peanut butter and jelly, Play-Doh, glue, crayons, pizza. Only Lee's for Living carpet comes with the first ever 25-year no exclusion stain warranty.
Rochester Linoleum and Carpet One,
Your total flooring specialist.